If you need your meals to be healthy, nutritious, delicious, and easy, well, you've come to the right place because so do I. Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where today we are going to be making a quick, easy, delicious, nutritious veggie hash that is also going to be packed with protein. You guys, everything that I need for my diet at this phase of my life, it's got the protein, it's got the nutrient rich veggies, it's quick, it's easy. But you guys, I also at this phase of my life, I need it to be delicious. And this is exactly what you're going to get in this recipe. Everything that you need to put this together is up there on the screen. Gather everything up, come in close, and let's cook together. Coming up next. So the first thing that we need to do is to prep these veggies. I've already taken these soybeans out of the can, rinsed them, and drained them. So these are all set to go. So as far as the other veggies are concerned, it's just a matter of chopping them into little cubes. For the carrots, I've already done exactly that. But what I need to do is, because they are really, really firm, in order to avoid having to cook them a longer period of time on the stove top, I'm just going to parboil them a little bit. So I'm going to head on over to the stove, put these in for maybe 2 or 3 minutes, depending upon how big these little chunks are. For me, it's going to be about 2 minutes. And then while these are doing that, I'm going to proceed on with prepping the other vegetables. See you soon. Okay, everyone, these carrots have been parboiled and they are the perfect texture. It took about 2 minutes to get them to this texture. And a side note, if you are using white potatoes in this recipe, you would do exactly the same thing, because again, they take a little bit longer to cook. So you want everything to kind of like cook at the same pace. So you would do the same exact thing for the white potatoes. I'm not using white potatoes because of the carb count, trying to keep it as low as possible. So I'm going to set these aside and we're going to get into the rest of these vegetables. So let's go ahead and start with this zucchini. And guys, the same thing with this. We are just going to cut it into chunks, approximately the same size that we did with the carrots. Okay, guys, this is plenty. This is about 1 cup. Go ahead and set this aside. Now for our red peppers. Okay, guys, let's set these aside. All right, on to our onion. Okay, and the last thing that we need to prep is the garlic. Go ahead and mince a couple cloves with this. Okay, everyone, now this is ready. Okay, so everything has been prepped. Time to bring everything over to the stove so that we can put it all together. But you guys, do you see the color of all of this? There is going to be a lot of love on our plate this evening. So let's head on over to the stove and put it all together. Okay, to our preheated skillet, we're going to add some avocado oil. our onions, and our peppers. So these just started to caramelize. Look at that beautiful color, you guys. All right, so to this, let's go ahead and add in our zucchini. So it's been about 2 minutes since I put this zucchini in, and that is starting to get nice and tender. So to this, we're going to add our carrots, which again have been already parboiled, but they won't take as long. Look at this color, you guys. Minced garlic. Next, our seasoning. So I've got some cumin and some garlic powder in here. Put that in. Now for some salt and pepper. Okay, everyone, these veggies have caramelized beautifully. So to this, let's go ahead and add in our black beans. Give this a mix. Okay, and let this sit for a couple minutes. Keep your eye on it because, again, we just want it to caramelize because we don't want anything to burn. So give it about 2 minutes. And that point, check it, stir it, and then test for tenderness. And if it needs a little bit more time, that's exactly what you give it. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and give this a stir. All right, let's give this a stir, guys. And see if we need any more seasoning, salt, pepper. Just a little salt. In about 2 minutes, this will be ready. Okay, everyone, this is now ready to serve. I'll see you at the table. And here it is. We have a delicious, fragrant, nutrient-rich veggie hash that we are going to top with some fried eggs. And here are the eggs. And you cook them the way you want, hard over easy, sunny side up, your choice. So let's go ahead and serve this, you guys. And dinner is served. Give this recipe a try, and when you do, let everybody know just how phenomenal this is by leaving it in the comments. And while you're at it, you guys, give this video a like and a share, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. The subscribe button is down there at the bottom, right left corner of your screen. And thank you guys so very much for the support. Remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make this day your own kind of special with delicious, wonderful meals such as this. I'll see you soon, you guys, and enjoy.